Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So I often get asked what courses I recommend or what kind of training or certification programs I would recommend. And a lot of the times when I tell people about different programs or courses, which I don't often do, sometimes people will say, well, those are all expensive, or do you know anything free? So I actually wanted to put together some free courses that I was able to find online for you guys, put them together. They're scattered throughout this video. Just go ahead and let me know what you think. Now, full disclosure, I do not run or manage any of these courses, so please do some research before you dive in. Now, that said, they are free, so even if you take them and they're horrible, you can just say, well, I didn't waste any money. Now, thanks so much for watching. Thank you again for always supporting the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hi guys, I'm Jody Enroll, founder of the Event Certificate, and I work with event planners and wedding planners to help them get more leads into their business. If you're currently trying to grow your business and you're struggling to get leads, struggling to get traffic, stop struggling on your own, hit me up, www.eventcertificate.com, and let's have a conversation. I'm going to dive into a list of courses that I found that are in the event space. Now, even though some of them I said wedding as well, only because some of them have such good foundational stuff that I think even if you're going on to be a wedding planner, there's still really good stuff that you can take. Now, they are varied in that some of them are in event management, event marketing, sponsorship, and I know these are skills that I often find that my clients need as well. So I have clients who do weddings, but they might also take on a corporate event. And when you're doing corporate events, you need to know sponsorships, right? It's so important on that side. So it's important to just go through the list, see what you like, take what you need, and enjoy. So the first course on this list is from Oxford Home Study, and this is a UK-based online learning service provider. So if you're definitely looking for an online course, and I should preface this by saying all that I'm recommended are online courses that you can take in freedom in your own time, whether or not you're a busy mom, you're just busy running your business, you're busy with a full-time job, and this is your side hustle, whatever you need to do, you can do it. So the first one is an event management course, and this is from Oxford Home Study. It's one that I recommend, especially if you are new to the industry, you just want some basic information to get started. Highly recommend it, and I'm going to link it down below for you. The second course is an event management course as well, but this one is from the Brentwood Open Learning Center, also UK based. And in this course, you're going to be learning about the basic stuff. So what is event management? The 5 W's of event creation, how to apply them to your event, and how to actually execute, do the event conception from beginning to end. You're also going to learn a little bit about event marketing, and you do get a certificate from this program. That one also I'm going to link down below. Check them out. Let me know what your thoughts are after you go through all of these programs. Now, number 3 and number 4 are both coming from Eventbrite. Now, if you've been in the industry, even if you're not, if you've just been in any kind of event space where you're booking tickets to an event, you might have come across the Eventbrite platform. Now, by the way, this video is not sponsored by anyone. So Eventbrite is offering 2 courses. The third one is an event marketing course. Essentially, this course is going to be taking you through how to market your events. So if you're looking to think about how to market events on social media, and think about this from the side where you're planning the events, where you need to invite attendees. So if you do festivals, workshops, stuff like that, then the event marketing course is definitely something you want to take. So it's looking at how to do social media marketing, paid advertising, all the different kind of attraction marketing to get people to your events. Number 4 is also from Eventbrite, and it's event sponsorship. Now, this one I cannot stress enough. Whether you're a wedding planner, party planner, event planner, I don't care what planner you are, you do want to take this course, because this course, also offered by Eventbrite, walks you through how to secure sponsorship for your events, what you need to think about, what you need to look at, and what you need to be presenting to attract more sponsors. This is a skill that I cannot say enough how important it is, especially if you're in the corporate event space. And I know a lot of wedding planners who they focus mainly on weddings, but every now and then they see a corporate event that they would love to plan, or they have someone approach them. This is your opportunity right here to shine. You don't want to sleep on this course. Course number 5 is coming to us from classcentral.com, and this is a sport event management course. So, why am I throwing this one in there? Here's the thing. I know that not everyone is thinking about it this way, all right? Everyone's thinking event planner, wedding planner, corporate planner, wedding planner, and I want to give you some other options. Sport event management is also huge depending on where you're located. Think about it this way. Every city has some sort of sports team, whether that's baseball, basketball, I don't know, hockey, whatever that is, right? And sports event management is a huge part of that sphere. So if that's something you've never even thought about, try out the course and see if it's for you. The course itself goes into how to plan an actual sporting event, how to finance the event, how to take it from concept to actual execution, and they're looking at implementation, wrapping up, all of that. This is good information to have, and of course, most importantly, it ain't costing you anything, so definitely sign up. Now, course number 6 is in what I like to call a related but not directly in the event space, and it's a course on tourism and travel management. It's offered on the open learning platform called EDX, and it's most specifically coming from the University of Queensland in Australia. So here's the thing about this one. You're actually going to be taught by tourism practitioners who are going to be telling you about the industry, how you can actually be a part of it, how you can grow within the space, and how you can do different things within the tourism industry. Now, if you've ever thought about how you could branch out of the event space, this is a good one. Or maybe you're looking into like destination event planning or whatever that is for you, this is a good one to take because it's a way to improve and increase your knowledge, and that's never a bad thing. Now, you also get a certificate from the program, which I think most of the courses that I've mentioned actually do provide, and they're all free. Did I mention that at the beginning? So you definitely want to look into it. Now, as I said earlier in the video, I'm going to be linking all of them down below. So I've given you 6 complete options. You can take all 6 if you have the time. You can pick and choose based on where your interests lie, but definitely check them out. And this is for all you people who are always asking me, where can I find some free courses, free knowledge? I want a certificate, something to prove that I have the information, but I don't have the money. This one is for you. Now, of course, if you want to go deeper and you're looking for something where you have to fork up the money, drop a comment below. I might have some recommendations for you.